What's going on, guys? It is Friday, November 18th, and let me tell you, today was absolutely insane. It was fantastic. I see you guys are absolutely big green today. Now, we ended the week on a great note, but I do want to go over all of today's trades real quick. There's only about 4 of them, but I do want to go through all of them real quick and briefly go over what I saw, why I liked it, how I traded it, and what to expect going into next week. So first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at the alerts from today. And there were 4. There were 4 of them. We had a nice watch list last night, and I kind of expected today to be, great. And usually when the watch list has some nice setups on it, we usually have a great day the next day. And, we had a great play on, we didn't play TME. That one never met entry criteria. But we had a great play on ARDX. We had a great play on CTMX. And I guess we really only had 3 setups on the watch list last night. But still, 2 of them met entry criteria and 2 of them hit targets. And it was just fantastic. So to start the day out, we did start the day out with ARDX. And that one was absolutely fantastic from the watch list. And you see that we were looking for strength above this 175 for an entry to move towards that 195. And we got that strength above 175 at open. Caught that entry, and I alerted the pullback here, as you can see. Taking some 180, risking 175 for a move to 195 to 205. And we literally got that exact move from that 175, 180, all the way to our target of 195 and over our target of 205. And that thing was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic off this key daily spot on this chart. Insider buying news yesterday and after hours. Very, very large insider buy at that. And we kind of anticipated this momentum today off that insider trading news. And, it did not disappoint whatsoever. So moving on from that, that was a great trade. We had UCL right after, which they announced great earnings today. They had a smaller loss than expected. And we took a nice 5% trade there. As you can see, this breakout here after the open. And we actually took entry around low 2.7s. So we took entry around 272. We got to move all the way over 290, which was our target there. And you see we were looking for a pullback entry mid 2.7s, risking 265 for a move to 290 to 3. And as you can see, I scaled out that perfectly from 277 all the way to 288. And that was another fantastic trade. Literally just sticking to these great A-plus setups out there and, scaling out on the way up, raising those stops, and taking home some nice green into the weekend. And another fantastic trade there as we did break over this key pre-market low here of 265. Really nice look on the daily as well. If you take a look at the daily here on UCL, obviously it looks like crap now, but we did have this clear break over this 265, and we did get that move to about 2.9. And then moving on from that, we had CTMX from the watch list. And as you can see on the watch list, we were looking for strength over 165 for a pullback entry for a move to 171 to 176. And CTMX did not disappoint, and it actually hit all of our targets. You see we saw the strength at 165, had the pullback entry here, and then it ramped all the way to our first target of 171, and then our second target of 176. And again, absolutely fantastic. And we got the exact move here today. From that pullback entry 165 all the way to 171 and 176, and hit all of our targets there. And the last trade of the day for me was DLO, and that thing was absolutely fantastic. You can see the setup here, clear gap up chart, clear trend break. As you can see, we broke over this key daily level of 1150, and we had some range to about $14 here. And literally the risk to reward here was so crazy. We actually had a 12-12 entry risking $12. So we had 12 cents of risk and like 80 or 90 cents of reward. So like 7-1, 8-1 risk to reward here, and it was stellar. And as you can see, I took some on DLO here, low 12s, risking $12 for a move to 1260 to 13. And if we pull up this chart here on DLO, literally perfect trade, literally perfect. We took this pullback. As you can see, I alerted at 12:12 at 10:46 a.m. And that was my last trade of the day. I was done trading within an hour. And as you can see, this pullback here to 10:46 at 10:46 a.m. to about the low 12s. And then we just ramped, and it's all the way over $13 per share now for a move all the way to all of our targets here, and another massive trade. So overall, 0 losses today, nothing but wins, about an average of like 10% today. So fantastic trades, literally fantastic trades. Best day of the week for me this week. And it was a really nice week considering how slow it was. We stayed disciplined, stuck to the plan. It took home some really nice wins every single day. And as you can see, only 10% of you voting red today. So again, fantastic day today. See you guys banked again today as usual. And again, I'm looking forward to next week. I'm really looking forward to next week. We had small caps heating up today. Some nice volatility in small caps, nice follow through in small caps. And I'm expecting that to follow into next week as well. The only issue with next week is it is Thanksgiving, so we are off on Thursday and we have a short day on Friday. But other than that, I'm expecting a great Monday through Wednesday. If you want to learn to trade with the best team of traders out there, be sure to click that link down in my description below. Daily watch list is going to be going up on Sunday evening, so be sure to stay tuned for that and come prepared for the next week ahead. And other than that, I will see you guys next week, and I hope you guys have a blessed and safe, relaxing weekend.